In the remote corners of our planet, hidden from mainstream maps and often veiled by dense canopies or inaccessible terrains, lie Earth's secret natural habitats. These enigmatic locations are not just remnants of untamed wilderness, but are vital chapters in the story of biodiversity. One such hidden gem is the lost forest of Mozambique, discovered by a scientist browsing Google Earth, which hosts species unseen anywhere else on the planet. As we journey through these hidden wonders, each reveals not only unique ecosystems, but also profound lessons on resilience and the delicate thread connecting life. In 2005, a scientist randomly zooming on Google Earth stumbled upon patches of mysterious green in northern Mozambique. What he discovered were unexplored forests, hugged tightly by mountain ridges and overlooked for centuries. The subsequent exploration revealed over a dozen new species, each thriving in this undisturbed Eden. Following this breathtaking discovery, conservationists raced against time and deforestation threats to study and protect this ecological treasure trove. These forests are densely packed with unique flora and fauna, such as the Mabu forest pygmy chameleon, which changes colors not just for camouflage, but also to communicate. The narrative of Mozambique's lost forests is a powerful reminder of our planet's hidden biodiversity, beckoning the need for heightened conservation efforts to safeguard these irreplaceable ecosystems. Off the coast of Yemen lies an otherworldly archipelago that seems straight out of a science fiction novel. Socotra Island, often called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, is remarkable for its alien-like landscape and rare species. Around 37% of its plant species, 90% of its reptile species, and 95% of its snail species are found nowhere else on Earth. The dragon blood tree, with its umbrella-shaped canopy and red sap, symbolizes Socotra's extraordinary biodiversity. The sap was once believed to have magical properties and remains a sought-after commodity. This isolation has crafted a natural laboratory for evolution, but also means that the delicate balance of Socotra's ecosystem is incredibly vulnerable to external pressures like climate change and unregulated tourism. Preserving Socotra's unique landscape is critical not just for its biological inhabitants, but for the study of evolutionary processes in isolation. The depths of Movial Cave, Romania. Sealed off from the outside world for over 5.5 million years, Movial Cave in Romania was discovered in 1986 and still holds mysteries to science. The cave's atmosphere is thick with harmful gases, yet it teems with life. Around 33 species have adapted strangely to this dark, toxic environment. Specialized bacteria that consume carbon dioxide and release oxygen through chemosynthesis support a complex food web. Uniquely adapted species like the sightless water scorpion thrive in these conditions. This alien ecosystem challenges our understanding of life's resilience and adaptability, making it a significant subject for both astrobiology and conservation. The lesson from Movial is clear: life can adapt in ways that defy human expectations, underscoring the importance of protecting even the most inhospitable environments for the secrets they may hold about life's potential across the universe. Suriname's pristine rainforests. Covering around 90% of its land area, Suriname maintains one of the highest percentages of pristine rainforest in the world. This vast green expanse is a stronghold for biodiversity, hosting elusive jaguars, hundreds of bird species, and untold numbers of insects. In this untouched wilderness, the indigenous peoples such as the Maroons retain a profound connection with nature, living in ways that have little impact on the forest. This symbiosis is crucial not only for the cultural preservation of these communities, but also for sustaining the ecological balance of the rainforest. As global pressures mount, the challenge for Suriname will be balancing human development with the preservation of its irreplaceable natural heritage, reinforcing the role of indigenous knowledge in conservation strategies. the enigmatic Theingi de Bamaraha, Madagascar. Madagascar's Theingi de Bamaraha National Park is an otherworldly fortress of vertical limestone pinnacles known as Theingi, which means where one cannot walk barefoot in Malagasy. This jagged landscape, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is as dangerous as it is beautiful, housing flora and fauna that have adapted to its razor-sharp edges. Among these are species that are masters of vertical living, including the Deccan sifaka, a type of lemur that leaps between the spires. The park's isolation and unique topography have allowed a distinct biosphere to flourish, virtually untapped by human influence. The Theingi not only adds to our understanding of ecological and evolutionary processes, but also serves as a stark reminder of the fragility and splendor of isolated ecosystems.